Welcome to Level Up Math for All. Let's try to find a perimeter of a triangle. How to find the perimeter of a triangle? Before finding the perimeter of a triangle, first of all, we have to understand what do you mean of triangle. A three sides, in the sense, three different sides made it as a shape in a triangular model. That is called a triangle. So in this image, if you see, side A, side B, side C, three sides combination. This image, we call it as a triangle. Now, to find the perimeter of a triangle, what we need to do is just add all the lengths of three sides. It means side A, side B, and side C, we just need to add. So the perimeter formula, which represents P, now if you are going to add all three sides, the formula will be a plus b plus c, where a, b, and c represents the lengths of the three sides of the triangle. Once again, let's see the real graphical representation of a triangle and the sides. So, in general, we call length or side that is always same, whether you can make call length or a side. So in this triangle we have side A, side B, side C, or you can say length A, length B, length C. As we know, the perimeter of triangle, which represents P, that is equivalent side A plus side B plus side C, or length of A plus length of B plus length of C. Let's try to find a perimeter of a triangle with a given length. In this problem, there are three sides. Each side is measured as 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. We have to find the perimeter of a triangle. In this case, once again, we have to find a perimeter of a triangle where the sides are measured in 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. So how to find the perimeter of a triangle to the given problem where the given sides are 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. So overall, as we learned previously, the perimeter of a triangle, which is nothing but P, that is nothing but given sides A plus B plus C. It means sum of all three sides or all three lengths. So let's apply the formula and make sure substitute the values and see what is the perimeter of a triangle here. In the given problem, the side A represents 3 meters, side B represents 4 meters, and side C represents 5 meters. As it can say, length A 3 meters, length B 4 meters, and length C 5 meters. The perimeter of a triangle formula, P is nothing but all three sides, A plus B plus C, or all three lengths, A plus B plus C. So in the given scenario, we got side A 3 plus side B 4 and side C 5. Altogether is 12. Let's revisit the given problem and revisit the solution. The given problem, we have to find a perimeter of a triangle where three sides lengths are measured in 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. So as we have noticed, side A is 3 meters, side B is 4 meters, and side C is the 5 meters. In the formula, when we substitute the values in the formula, that is perimeter. P is nothing but side A plus side B plus side C. That is nothing but 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is nothing but 12. So the perimeter of a triangle is 12 meters. Woohoo! Here you go. You have to solve one problem on behalf of me and try to find the perimeter of a triangle where three sides lengths is 7 meters, 9 meters, and the 4 meters. Go and give it a try and figure it out. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Please share your comments, subscribe, like, level up for math for all, and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.